I'm Héloïse Briand. I founded Miss Maggie's Kitchen. I'm French, but I grew up in the US.
I'm Irene, and I come from Florence, Tuscany, in Italy.
Je suis Sabrina Goldin, je viens de l'Argentine et j'habite à Paris.
Do you want to start?
It was great. Actually, it was very natural. It's not like we hesitated or we were like everyone was doing their own thing. We were really working as a team, so it was kind of a surprise to flow as we flowed, right?
Yeah, it was very, very natural. Like you said, that flow, and then we just, I think we gave each other ideas and went from there, and it was cool. It was a great experience.
Just a group of friends having fun.
I think we did very feminine recipes. Even if we were using fire to grill things and everything, and the outcome is something that's very feminine and sensual and soft and with different savors and stuff.
J'adore le feu, vraiment ça fait partie de mon ADN.
Simple, natural, and very free. When I develop recipes, I always want people to sort of make them their own. So I encourage people to really sort of take what I propose and then to use the herbs they want or to change, an ingredient and everything, but very free, and I want it to be for the whole family.
I'm very simple. I cook only for my family and usually with fresh ingredients.
We were working together, and I think in that way it was kind of natural to just work together and observe. And we have quite a similar style, I think, in the way we do at least these dishes that we cooked. So it was very nice and very fun. Well, it's very natural to me, the way, sharing plates and everything, and I think that for you too, and for Irene too. So we did many salads that were very colorful and very sensual and very subtle, with really visible and nice ingredients, so very raw. In that way, and it ended up being super feminine, very reflective of what we are.
Yes, the kind of plate that you prepare all together and then you put on the table and you enjoy, and nobody has to work anymore.
I think audacity has to be, this is not a general rehearsal. Life is now, and so you just have to go with it and go for it and just, be audacious, live. VEUVE CLIQUOT, first of all, I love the story of VEUVE CLIQUOT and of this woman who sort of took over, and it's that period of time and everything. So that's something that's very inspiring. And then in the champagne, it's very fresh, and there's something that's light and feminine to it. And since I love lemon, like I said, having zest or lemon to it, it fits really well and pairs very well with the yellow label.